Hey, welcome to my channel. I'm Derek and I'm the creator of Outlinx. In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to use Outlinx to create a digital note page and link it to one of our QR smart stickers. A lot of people are using Outlinx to label their storage bins and boxes. They do this to get more organized and also just to remember what they have in storage. And I want to demonstrate how you can do this too. It's simple. So the first thing that you do is you take a fresh Outlinx sticker and you place it on something, like this box. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how you can use Outlinx to easily create a digital note page to describe the contents of a box like this for future reference. This box contains some fun Lego Mixel characters. Then simply open up the Outlinx mobile app and scan the sticker to link it to a new Outlinx note page. Let's give this page a title. And add some information. So for Outlinx pages, you can add images, web links, timestamps, and break lines. You can also customize font sizes and choose from a few different styles. And you can add lists. For this page, I'm just going to add a quick text description and take some pictures of the contents of the box. So let me create the rest of this page. Okay, done. Here's our Outlinx page. Let's take a look. We have a brief title, a short text description, and some images to show us what's in the box. You can keep pages simple or add as much detail as you'd like. It is totally up to you. Now, let's exit this page by tapping the back button. And this is your folder screen. Every single Outlinx page you create will get saved here. From here, you can do things like tap on an item to access the page. You can swipe left on an item to move it to a folder or delete it. And you can also search for all of your Outlinx by entering text. So that's a quick tour of the app. Now let's put everything back in the box. Now, anytime you scan that sticker, you'll be taken back to the page you created for it. Okay, I hope that was helpful. Now, if you haven't tried Outlinx, be sure to check it out. You can get a pack of stickers for $8 on Amazon and on the Outlinx website. Plus, our mobile app is 100% free on iPhone and Android. It's a good deal and a quality product. I'll share some links below to show you where you can get Outlinx. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. You can email me or post a comment below and I'll be happy to personally assist you. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, or check back again to get more tips on how to use Outlinx in your life.